So shine bright tonight, you and I. Hi, and welcome to the channel. First, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the G major, composed of the D, the G, and the B, with the bass note of G. Then you're gonna have the B minor, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, with the bass note of B. Then we'll have the A major, composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and with the bass note of A. Feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Let's learn the introduction first, so I will display the chords for you. And take the first chord, G major, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, you play bass and chord, 2, chord, 3, chord, and 4, bass and chord again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna play all the chords like this. So B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. A major, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then B minor, 1, 2. The whole table should sound like this. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. And I'm very happy to announce that this table is the one and only table that you will need for the entire song, so you will repeat this in a loop. Let's check if this works with the verse. Find light in the beautiful sea, I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. And you just repeat these 4 chords over and over again. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. The chorus would also use the same chord order and the same method, like this. So shine bright tonight, you and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Okay, so just repeat. So diamonds in the sky, eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Okay, so just repeat this table and it's gonna work for the entire song. Just try it. I wish you good luck and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.